Hello everybody, today I am sharing Chhat Puja special painting on paper and I'll be using oil pastel and a little bit of golden glitter. Before playing with colors, I am just doing a sketch. Very easy and simple. You guys can definitely try it in any competition or any theme painting. Enjoy the festive vibes with my painting. Jai Chhati Maiya. Do try this painting at home and tag me on Instagram. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys.